Robbie bought his second router, it was only 9 months after he bought the first. I said, I guess you're saving the money that you said you were going to save. And he said, actually, we're saving more.
Boyd Manufacturing started in 2012.
We are mainly focused in the hospitality market, pull-out beds, chairs, ottomans.
We started working with Quis Machinery 8.5 years ago.
Every company's going to generate waste. Every woodworker is going to create dust. What we're looking at is a part that a lot of customers ignore. Oh, well, waste is just part of the business. But how you deal with that waste can be the difference between an efficient, cost-saving process and a costly one that could end up costing you more labor, more time, more money, in the end, keeping you from being competitive in your own market.
The Netterman, the WEIMA, and the Norfab has been an excellent choice for us here at Boyd Manufacturing.
WEIMA America is headquartered in Fort Mill, South Carolina. It is one of my favorite lines because it is so easy to calculate the ROI. The grinder doesn't reduce the amount of waste created, but it drastically reduces the amount of space and labor required to store and transport that waste. For a customer like Boyd, this could mean 5 trips to the dump becoming 1 trip to the dump. Nordfab's quick fit clamp together ductwork is manufactured in Thomasville, North Carolina. We recommend Nordfab because their adaptive duct design allows the customer to make changes as they grow, and their technology makes it easy for dealers like us to design a clean and efficient system. Netterman is one of the largest air filtration systems manufacturers in the world, and their North American plant is located right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Netterman is our exclusive partner for all dust mitigation systems because their comprehensive catalog allows customers like Boyd to scale their dust collection as their production expands, all the while providing their employees with a safe, dust-free environment.
All of the machines that we've gotten from Quis work together to make our production flow and to make that quality product that Boyd is known for.
The reason why the relationship between Boyd and Quis Machinery and our manufacturers has been so good is because we've all grown together. Advocating evolution or adaptation. I think that's exactly what we aspire to do for our customers. Quis Machinery today doesn't look the way I want it to look in 5 years. I want us to evolve. I want us to grow. I want us to find new technology that's going to allow us to do our job better. I want that same thing for my customers. I want my customers' businesses to evolve into the dreams that the owners have, into what their customers want it to be. We want to build systems that allow them to evolve into that vision. We want them to be evolutive.